Hey lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. If you are new here, thanks for clicking on this video. Today we are making this delicious Ghanaian palm nut soup recipe. The soup you can pair with fufu, rice ball, banku, kokonte and others. Without wasting time, let's go and make it. Into my pot, I went it with my protein. So I have some cowfish tripe. I also added some crab, then went in with my blended garlic and ginger, beef seasoning, and also blended pepper. So here I thought my camera was filming when I added the tomato paste, the seasoning cube, and also salt to it, but it didn't. So now after adding, I'm just stirring and then cover it. So this is after 5 minutes, and checking on our protein is doing so well. So I will just stir, and then after that I will go in with some water and then stir and cover it again. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, I'm Getty. You are welcome to my channel where I make easy food recipes. So if you are interested, kindly click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified. So after some minutes of cooking, I then went in with my palm nut juice, and I also went ahead to add some onion and then went in with some pepper and also okra. So I will stir this gently and then cover it. And also thanks to my new and returning subscribers. You guys are amazing for always watching, liking and commenting under my post. I'm truly grateful and God bless you guys. Thank you so much. So after an extra minute, I will then go ahead and remove the vegetables at this point. So I'm going to remove everything and then blend this. Okay fam, so after blending, I'll just pour the mixture back into the soup and stir this all together until everything is well combined. So I also went in with just a half seasoning cube, then went in with some salt. I'll also go in with my smoked dry fish and then stir gently. After that, I will then leave it on the fire to cook slowly. So after a minute checking, it's doing so well, and our soup is almost done, guys. So at this point, the soup is well cooked, and just look at the lovely outcome. Everything was on point and I really love it. Compare this with your fufu, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it interesting, kindly give it a thumbs up, share this video among your friends and family. Till I come your way again, see you guys in my next upload. Thank you.